Hello students, good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. A.N.A. Regarding photochemistry, in the previous class we discussed about photochemistry of carbonyl compounds. Now in this class we will going to discuss about Bernoulli reaction. Another type of reaction is another type of photoreaction of carbonyl compound is Bernoulli reaction. Actually, what is it? It is the cycloaddition reaction, formation of oxetane. This is the intermolecular cycloaddition between the carbonyl compound and the alkene. When the carbonyl compounds and alkenes are irradiated, that is 2+2 cycloaddition reactions. New product, cyclic product. This is known as oxetane. This is a four-membered cyclic ring. This is known as oxetane. Actually, what happens? 2+2 cycloaddition. 2+2 cycloaddition reaction. This bond will come here. This double bond will disappear, and this double bond will disappear. And there is a bond developed. There is a formation of cyclic product like this. This reaction was discovered by Bernoulli. It was developed by Buchis. So it is also known as Bernoulli reactions. Actually, this reaction was firstly discovered by Bernoulli. Now discovered by like this, benzaldehyde with substituted, we will get the oxetane like this. That was the first reaction was discovered. Photocycloaddition may occur between an alkene or alkynes with carbonyl or aromatic compounds. Photocycloaddition may occur between alkenes as well as alkynes with carbonyl or aromatic compounds with carbonyl or aromatic compounds with carbonyl or aromatic compounds. Now the very interesting photochemical cycloaddition reaction is the addition of carbonyl compounds to olefin to yield oxetanes. It will be like this. You can also write the reaction simultaneously. Excuse me, I'll adjust the camera. Yes. C double bond C, it will be nitrogen, CH3, another CH3, this is another CH3, which on irradiation reduce SO CH, this hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, then CH3. Okay, now we have oxygen, this carbon, another carbon, and we have another CH3. Okay, CH3. Now here we have R, sorry, this is R dash, did not? So this is R dash. Okay, and we have another CH3. Okay, CH3, CH3, CH3. Did not? CH3, CH3, CH3. Yes, carbon, 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 carbon. Hydrogen, hydrogen is there. Now oxygen, one oxygen. Understand? Or we can write like this also, plus oxygen. Okay, CH, carbon, CH3, CH3. Then we have another, that is carbon, carbon, hydrogen. Then we have R, this is R dash, and this is CH3. 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3, CH3, 1, 2, 3, hydrogen, oxygen, or R dash. So this reaction is known as what we call as Paterno-Bucci reaction. This reaction is known as Paterno-Bucci reaction. For example, okay, yes, for example, okay, for example, butyraldehyde, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, H. Okay, this is butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons plus CH3 twice C double bond CH, CH3, CH, CH3. Okay, CH3. What is this? 2 methyl, yes, 2 methyl 2 butene, 2 butene. Okay, 2 methyl 2 butene, 2 methyl 2 butene, which on photolysis we will get like this cyclic product. CH3, another CH3, another CH3, another CH3. Okay, like this, plus CH3, 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 CH3. So this is 2 comma 3 comma 3 trimethyl 4 propyl oxetane. Okay, 2 comma 3 comma 3 trimethyl 1 2 3. Okay, trimethyl fourth position. Okay, propyl oxetane, and this is what will happen, just 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma. Okay, 2 comma 2 comma, then this is 3 trimethyl 4 propyl oxetane 4 propyl oxetane. Okay, the Patanov-Bucci reaction normally occurs by the cycloaddition of the triplet state of the carbonyl compounds with a ground state of an alkene. The Patanov-Bucci reaction normally what happened occurs by the cycloaddition of the triplet state of the carbonyl compounds with a ground state of an alkene. The oxetane ring, this is called as oxetane ring. The oxetane ring is formed in 2 steps. Okay, now I will draw one by one. Benzophenone which on photolysis. So we will get pH, okay. So this is said to be a singlet. Okay, singlet which on spin inversion. What will happen? pH CO pH. Okay, what will happen? It is already like that. Which on is spin inversion, this will also form like that, the triplet. Okay, this is the singlet, this is the triplet based on spin inversion. It depends on the spin inversion, it will happens. Okay, now let us take the triplet state. Let's take the triplet state, that is pH CO. So this is the triplet state. This is the triplet state. Okay, plus just now I said in the ground state. Okay, So the oxytocin ring is formed in two steps. The carbonyl compounds triplet state adds through its oxygen to alkene to give the more stable, okay, to give the more stable diradicals. In next step, the spin inversion occur and the bond is formed to give the oxytocin. Now what will happen? Look at this. Yes. Triplet state. Okay. CH3, CH3, C6H5, C6H5. Understand? Which on spin inversion. Okay. Which is on spin inversion. What will happen? CH3, CH3, pH, pH. Okay. And this is the another step, formation like this. Triplet state. So this is also undergoes spin inversion. So formation of CH3, CH3, pH, pH. Okay. So the spin inversion occurs and bond gives the oxytocin. The Patanov-Bucci reaction normally occurs the cycloaddition in the triplet state of the carbonyl compounds with the ground state of an alkene. Next, the photocycloaddition of benzophenone with cis and a trans 2-butene gives the mixture of same mixture of cis trans oxytocin. This shows that reaction is not stereospecific. Now the lack of stereochemical discrimination clearly shows that the reaction is not concerted and the rings formed in two stages. Okay, let me discuss. Now you also draw side by side benzophenone, pH, Okay. Cis and trans 2-butene. Similarly, pH is for trans. Okay. Yes. The photocycloaddition of benzophenone with cis and trans with cis and trans 2-butene gives the same mixture of trans oxytanes. CH3 this is pH, this is the pH. Okay, now this direction. So this is the one major product, and similarly the minor product is also CH3 CH3. Okay, pH. Understand, this is the minor product. Understand? Photocycloaddition of benzophenone with cis and trans 2-butene gives the same mixture of cis and trans oxytanes. So this reaction shows that not stereospecific. Underline, not stereospecific. Okay. So the lack of stereochemical discrimination clearly shows that the reaction is not concerted and the ring is formed in two stages. So with this I will conclude. So basically remember, the photochemical cycloaddition reaction is the addition of carbonyl compounds with olefin. It gives to yield oxytanes. So that is the very interesting reaction, is known as Paterno-Bucci reaction. Thank you.